My name is Soraya, I'm the queen of healthy Latin cooking. I am joining the van life community.
Welcome to my show, honey. Welcome to Soraya's kitchen. When you're feeling blue, you don't know what to do. Carrying such a heavy load, honey, feels like you're all alone. You need a new recipe, well, I'm the one to see. Friday rolls along, you wanna hear my song, so welcome to my show. Oh, welcome to Soraya's kitchen. My show is so hot, honey. The vegan meat, the gluten-free, the dairy-free. Oh.
Hey, darling. This is the back of my Ford Transit van. Now, when I bought her, she had the gates on the windows, which I'm really happy about and I'm going to keep. And the gates on this side, too. There was a gate that separated the seats. I took it down because it kind of impacted on the space of the car. So, now you're gonna see me. Hey! My name is Soraya, I'm the queen of healthy Latin cooking. This is just a really quick video because I am joining the van life community. I have a Ford Transit van, 2011. It has almost 97,000 miles. I bought her in 2016. She just turned a little over 2 years old and I'm really happy with her. She's 4-cylinder, she's spunky like me, she's cute and small, but efficient like me. So she's perfect. She's perfect. She's got a name. I'm not going to tell you. She knows what it is. I love this van. She's just right for me. I bought it for my business. I want to embark on the minimalism lifestyle. I've had some experiences with roommates and apartments. I'm a chef and I'm a music producer, so I do a lot out of my apartment. So I decided that I'm going to live in my van. I've seen plenty of YouTube videos and I want to thank all the people who are doing what I want to do for their inspiration and seeing that they could do it, female and male. And I'm going to try it. And I'm going to go really, really minimal with this. I'm not going to spend a lot of money. I'm not doing a build. I'm using furniture that I already have. I'm doing it like real bare bones because I want to see if I like it. Now, my focus is on surviving the winter and not freezing in my van. I want to get some electricity and solar and all of that. But, you know, some inverters and batteries go zero, I don't know, whatever. But I want to do a little bit of power in it. I want to get an exhaust fan for her. I definitely just want to sleep in her, do my computer in her. Not cook yet, though I want to cook in her eventually. But the goal is just to be able to live in her. I'm going to be using the showers at the gym. You know what van life folks do, right? I'm putting all my stuff in storage. I'm going to sell as much as possible. Keep what I absolutely need. I came up with a really good idea for bedding this weekend. So you'll see what that idea is. So I'm just really excited. I love Jackson Heights where I live. But I remember when I first moved here and I bought my co-op, like my maintenance was so low. And you know, when you pay maintenance fees, that's like property taxes included in that. Yeah, Jackson Heights is a great district for the school system. But you know, I'm paying taxes as a single transgender person that I don't have kids. And I'm earning enough right now to get a little studio if I wanted to, like $1,100, $1,200, which is, you know what, I'm just going to do my van. I'm going to set her up, and if it goes well, then maybe I'll get a bigger van, you know. But for right now, this is what I have. So I'm going to show you Rima. Ooh, Rima, that's her name. Her name is Rima. So send blessings to Rima. And she's my gluten-free, vegan, Puerto Rican empanada truck. I'll show you. She has a really nice design on her. Okay, so here she is. So like I said, she's a Ford Transit. She's got a vehicle wrap. Julio Granados did the graphics for me. I gave him the idea. That's me on a really nice day. And that's the Puerto Rico Puente, and then New York City for Vegan Puerto Rican, like New York. And yeah, Soraya's kitchen. You know, she's cute. You know, she's your typical Ford Transit 2011. And then here I have some dishes of my food. And I was on Food Network. And this is who she is. This is the logo for my cooking show. And I placed the decal on the front because I love Rolls Royces. I had a Volkswagen with the Rolls Royce front at one time, so I just adore them. And it says Vegan Puerto Rican cuisine. Okay? So let's go inside her and I'll show you. I mean, she's like bare inside, but let me point out what I'm gonna do, right? This is gonna be kind of boring for you guys. This is her. Now, like I said, she came with the gates on the windows. So she's got them. I'm jumping in. And I'm gonna put my cabinet on this side. I have some ideas. I'm gonna do some insulation here. I'm pegboarding because I have some wire racks that I think will be really cool. Because I need to use the van for cargo for my cooking. I had a food stand in California and I'm doing some catering. So I need to be able to empty her out and then put everything back in really easily. I'm gonna contact paper and put insulation and reflectics and all that, but I want to jazz her up. I have disco as a theme for my cooking show. You know, it's the typical van. I'm gonna put my cot on the right side. I'm also going to do pegboard over here, and the bed's gonna go on this side, and I have a really good idea. I'm using actually an ottoman, 2 of them, maybe 3, and then putting a mattress, a 24-inch mattress, 24-inch wide, 75-inch mattress, and then I could just lift the mattress. It's very light and it folds like 4 ways, you know, it folds 4 panels, and then get my clothes and stuff, and then put the mattress right back on top. But I have a thing I want to put here that I use for my cooking when I had the food stand that folds up and has shelves in it, and it has room for a little sink. Well, you'll see. I'll show you. I'm gonna put a fan in here. I'm very, very, very excited about this opportunity. I am. This is just the time for me to investigate van life. I've been really looking at tiny homes for a number of years. I've been looking into minimalism for a bit as well, and then seeing the van life and seeing a lot of Ford Transits hooked up really nicely. Couples out in a Ford Transit going through the United States, traveling, camping and all that. Well, I'm going to stay in New York, but I want to go back and forth from Cali to New York. So I have my friends and family here in New York, and I have some friends in Cali. So I want to kind of have my food stand in California, and the winters of New York, go out there, blah, blah, blah. We'll see. Look, the goal right now is just to get somewhat situated in the van, stay warm, have some heat, have some electric, and then shower at the gym. I'll figure out my food stuff as I go along. I'm vegan. I like to eat my food in a certain way. I don't do any sugar and any white flour. I don't drink alcohol. You know, I don't do drugs. You know, I eat healthy. I'm 60, newly transgendered for the last 2.5 years. And now I'm going to be living out of my van. My goal is to have a van where it's situated where I can cook my own food and test recipes, of course sleep, be able to take care of business in it, do my video editing for my cooking show, my music production, and then drive, you know, do my thing, you know, drive around, because this is my only vehicle. And so, anyway, so that's it. So my name is Soraya, and I'm entering the van life. And I'll be seeking advice from some of you, and I want to thank Van City Life and some other people, Cheap RV Living, all those guys and some ladies that have really shared their experience, strength, and hope. I want to thank you, and here I go. So wish me luck. Thank you. Bye. Mwah. Bye. Take care. Bye. Mwah.
Welcome to my show, honey. Welcome to Soraya's Kitchen. When you're feeling blue, you don't know what to do. Carrying such a heavy load, honey, feels like you're all alone. You need a new recipe, well, I'm the one to see. Friday rolls along, you wanna hear my song, so welcome to my show. Oh, welcome to Soraya's Kitchen. My show is so hot, honey. The vegan meat, the gluten-free, the dairy-free.
Hey, darlings. No more